today for Leeds City Council, so we're just going to show you around the actual job we've done today for them. We're going to come around the back. Here we have a 500 litre, 2-man full hollow system set up. As you can see, we've got the overdoors here, real secure brackets there to stop them moving around in the van. Support plate, self 2-man. The 2-pole tidal tubes at the top for his poles and his brushes. We'll make sure we've left room around the back for him as well, which you may have already seen, but I'll show you again anyway. Space here as well for his gutter backs.